Hey folks, back at the Billabong again. Eachine LR3. Most of my last range test I did with this, around 1 kilometre, although this VTX antenna was pointed horizontally outwards, so what I've done is a little modification, put a 90-degree bend on it, and now she's sticking up, so I'm going to see if it improves our range at all. Pair of freshly charged 18650 Li-ions. Nice little flyer this is. Tri-blade props, TBS crossfire, GPS fitted. Yeah, a real well put together little unit from Eachine here. I have put a strap on it because the batteries don't fall out. However, should you have a drop on the ground suddenly, they will pop out, which means you may lose telemetry and you may also lose your quad, which would not be cool. Okay, good to go. Let's wait for some satellites and head out. Yeah, rescue off, I know that. Okay. I should really stick close to land while I'm warming up. 3 satellites, okay, cool. Yeah, it must have been the canopy. It's alright, let's hopefully I haven't wasted too much of my Li-on power supply. Just head out over here. We'll fly around the Billabong. Someone on the canoe. There's a bit of a bridge over here. How far from home are we? It's not going to report that telemetry just yet. We've got 3 satellites. GPS fixed. Okay, GPS fixed, excellent. I'm just filming, Shay. Okay, I might just return to home because I can do a range test. Okay, so before I did 1 kilometre on this with the horizontal face antenna, so let's see how far this one goes. Hopefully a little bit further, but yeah, we'll see. Might just stick over near some land just in case it ditches, and I won't need to go fishing something that I'll never find. Head out over the trees here, sticking to the edge of the reservoir. 300 metres, guys, pretty cool. So I'm going to be right over here next to the platform. In fact, I'll probably be even further than that, 400 metres. I don't have my long range TBS patch antenna on. I do have a Fox ear patch on, so that may make a bit of difference. 500 metres. Like I said, I did go for nearly 1 kilometre last time. Now I'm starting to break up a bit. That's my early warning sign. I'm way over there. Okay. It could be the TBS patch antenna that made the difference last time. Probably 600 metres away. I'll tell you what, let's head out over this side. Get a little bit of altitude. Only 80 metres up. Get to around 100, clear those trees, and let's head out along the edge of the Billabong over here. At least this way, if I ditch it, I'll know sort of where to go to collect it. Okay, wouldn't be a true test if I didn't push some boundaries. 600 metres. I'm pretty keen to at least match my 1 kilometre range. Starting to break up a bit now. No. 800 metres, guys. Could be because of the trees. Could go right around here. I don't even know where I am, guys. I'm miles away. Yeah, I'm 900 metres away. I'm going to hit the kilometre, guys, no worries. And then I'm going to head back because I think that's just going to be just about it. Right up over those trees. Oh goodness me. There we go, folks. That's a good kilometre. No problem at all. Seems to be breaking up now. Really good. VTX here. Maybe the extra altitude, 113 metres up I am. Okay, that's the range test done. Let's see if we've got enough power to head back home. Come on, let's get some altitude. I'm getting lower on power. Oh dear. I always seem to do this with my range tests. I seem to burn up my power quite quickly. We're on 6 volts now. So what happens with crikey, let's fly up over the bridge here, shall we? What happens with the light ions when you get low on power? They just fall to the ground. I may need to go for a run here. I'm down to, I'm down to 6 volts. I don't even know if I'm going to get back home again. Why do I always do this? Same thing every time. No, this should be right. All in the interest of range testing, hey? I'm somewhere over here. Okay, let's safely land it and yeah. Oh, yeah. Danger, big tree. Oh gosh. Right, okay. Okay, I'm somewhere around here. I can hear myself. Let's set down. Why am I over the water again? I'm really low on power, folks. Yeah, that was pretty lucky, guys. I'm still not too sure how I got away with that. Yeah, around the light ions pretty low. Well over 1 kilometre, guys, with the vertical facing antenna there, the VTX antenna on the back. Certainly an improvement on the stock horizontal facing one. Pretty easy to do. Drop me a comment if you actually want to know how I did it. It's just basically bent it around there and glued it on. Simple as that. And yeah, I did push it a little bit further than I wanted to, but with that fail-safe option I was quite happy doing so. But you do need to be careful with the light ions. Once they run low, they'll just fall from the sky without any warning. So I was actually pretty lucky to bring it back home again. All good fun. Eachine LR3, links down below, folks. A handy little unit, good flight time, robust. Like I said, heck of a lot of fun. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Drop us a comment. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.